Okay, now we see question number 21 to 30, chapter 38, EMI. Circle loop of radius this much has turned these many uniform magnetic field is this exist in the space in the direction parallel to the axis of the loop. Okay, the coil is now rotated about its diameter through the angle of 60 degree. The operation takes 0.1 second. Find the average EMF induced in the coil. तो डेल्टा फाई मॉड है, मैग्नीट्यूड निकाल रहे इसमें फाई 2 माइनस फाई 1. फाई 2 इज बी ए कॉस थीटा 60 डिग्री टर्न कर दिया, माइनस फाई 1 इज बी ए परपेंडिकुलर था ऐसा. एंड टाइम इज टी. ऑलराइट, नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स भी है, नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स को हमने बाहर लिख दिया इनटू एन. सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे ये आ जाएगा, वैल्यू पुट करेंगे तो इतना आ रहा है. देन नेट चार्ज क्रॉसिंग एनी क्रॉस सेक्शन डेल्टा फाई बाय आर. डेल्टा फाई जो है दिस वन, डेल्टा फाई इज BAN by 2. BAN by 2. It is ऊपर वाले से निकाल लिया था हमने, BAN by 2 upon T upon R. Alright, तो वैल्यू पुट करके निकाल देंगे, it will come this much. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, क्लोज लूप दिया है, इतने टर्न्स हैं रोटेटेड इन मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, this much about diameter which is perpendicular to field, angular velocity is this much per minute. The area of the coil is this much and the resistance is 4, and the average EMF developed in half turn from the position where the coil is perpendicular to the magnetic field. हाफ टर्न में टाइम कितना लगेगा, 300 में 60, तो 1 में 60 by 300 that is 1/5. तो 1 टर्न में टाइम 1/5 सेकेंड लग रहा है, तो हाफ टर्न में इंटू हाफ कर देंगे 1/10 सेकेंड. नाउ एवरेज इंड्यूस EMF इज चेंज ऑफ फ्लक्स अपॉन टाइम. चेंज ऑफ फ्लक्स जो है हाफ टर्न में 2 BAN आता है, तो वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे. हाफ टर्न में 180 डिग्री एंगल आता है, तो उसका BAN और इनिशियल माइनस BAN, माइनस माइनस बाहर भी एक माइनस, तो 2 BAN by 2. The average EMF in a full turn में 0 because no change of flux. The net charge displaced in the part A. Charge displaced is change of flux upon R. Put all the values, you will get this. Coulomb. Next one is coil of radius 10 centimeter and distance this much as 1000 turn. It is placed with the plane vertical and its axis parallel to the magnetic meridian. The coil is connected to the galvanometer and rotated about its vertical diameter through the angle of 180 degree. Find the charge which flows through the galvanometer in the horizontal. If horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field is this much, so horizontal component ही चाहिए like this. So 2BA and B will be BH upon R. Put all the values, you will get this. (180° पे 2BA and B will be BH. You know that. 24 में circle coil of 1 ton of radius 5 rotated about diameter with the angular speed 80 revolution per minute. B is given exist in the direction perpendicular to the axis of rotation. ठीक है. Maximum induced EMF. तो maximum induced EMF is नवाब and omega AB. Put all the values and solve it. It will come this much. And average EMF over the long period. Average value और ये होती है induced EMF की equation generator में AC की. Average EMF over the long term sin की average EMF sin की average value 0 होती है. So it will be 0. The average of the squared of EMF induced over the long period. So average of squared. Square करो, इसका average लेंगे. Sin square omega t की average value 1/2. Follow the NCERT book for this average values topic of AC. Sin square omega t की value 1/2 आती है. Average value के formulas निकालो. Sin square omega t will be 1/2 minus cos 2 omega t by t. Cos 2 omega t की average value 0 होती है, तो 1/2 की average value 1/2 बचेगी. All right, you want to see this outcomes? Minus cos 2 omega t by 2. एवरेज वैल्यू का ऐसा सिंबल होता है. 1 का एवरेज वैल्यू 1/2 का 1/2 रहेगा. इसका 0 हो जाएगा. दिस इज 0. 1/2 आती है. इसके लिए एनसीईआरटी बुक फॉलो करना है. कौन सा चैप्टर? रूटीन आई मीन अल्टरनेटिंग करंट, 7th chapter of first book of 12th. Then putting the values of E naught ऊपर से निकला हुआ है, इसका स्क्वायर करके पुट कर देंगे तो अपना ये आंसर आ जाएगा. इसका यूनिट क्या होगा? V स्क्वायर, वोल्टेज का स्क्वायर. स्क्वायर्ड वैल्यू पूछिए. Suppose the ends of the coil in the previous problem are connected to the resistance of 100 ohm. Neglecting the resistance of the coil, find the heat produced in the circuit in 1 minute. Heat produced is V square by R and 1 minute means 60 seconds. So solve it and you will get this answer. Figure shows the circular wheel of radius 10 centimeters whose upper half shown dark in the figure is made of the iron and lower half is the iron है, ये wood का है. Uniform magnetic field is this much above the central line suggested by the figure. The wheel is set into the pure rolling on the horizontal surface. If it takes 2 seconds for the iron part to come down and wooden part to come up, find the average. Iron part जब नीचे आ जाएगा तो flux 0 हो जाएगा. Initial flux is half pi r square. N is number of turns 1. B is this और ये half. Area is pi r square by 2. हाफ एरिया में ये फील्ड से बाहर आ जाएगा, जब नीचे आ जाएगा 0 हो जाएगा. तो it will be E average is minus delta phi by delta t minus 5 to 0 हो गया. ठीक है, एंड बी टी आ जाएगा. In the value, then get the result. Yes. Let's see the next question, 27th. 20 centimeter long conducting rod is set into the pure translation with the uniform velocity 10 perpendicular to the length. Uniform magnetic field of this much is exist in the direction perpendicular to the plane of the motion. Find average magnetic force on the free electrons. तो F is equal to Q VV, Q की जगह ये है VV, तो वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे E की, वेलोसिटी की एंड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, इतना न्यूटन आ जाएगा. बी पार्ट में फॉर व्हाट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इनसाइड द रॉड, इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स ऑन द फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन will balance the magnetic force. So electric force is equal to QE is equal to QVB, Q gone, E is equal to VB, and यहाँ पर वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे V की एंड B की, इतनी फील्ड आ गई. एंड नेक्स्ट पार्ट में find the motional EMF between the ends of the rod. BLV, put the value and solve. 28th is metallic meter rod sticks moves with the velocity 2, direction perpendicular to its length, perpendicular to the uniform magnetic field 0.2. Find the EMF induced between the two ends of the rod. BLV, put the value and solve it. 29th also, 10 meter wide spacecraft moves through the interstellar space with the speed given, magnetic field given, exist in the space in the direction perpendicular to the plane of the motion. Okay, the treating the spacecraft as a conductor, calculate the EMF. So BLV. Okay. Question number 30. Two rails of the railway track insulated from each other and from the ground are connected to the millivolt meter. What will be the reading of millivolt meter when the train travels on the track with the speed given? The vertical component of magnetic field is this much. So BLV, B will be vertical here. So BV into L into V. Put all the values and you will get the induced EMF between the tracks. So that's all here. Next, we'll see the next 10 questions after this. Thank you.